Hi everyone, how's it going? Well, recently I was in South Africa. In Rustenburg, I had a field guiding course, and my teacher was a very experienced guy who had a lot of experience in the bush. But I was trying to photograph this owlet that I kept hearing day and night, but I just couldn't get close to it, no matter what I did, because it's a very, very shy animal. He told me, Özkan, there's another method. I can call the owlet to you. And I was like, this is some crazy. Damn. He tells me, I'm not only going to call the owlet, I'm going to call all these little birds, these finches, these songbirds and all, right now to hear. And I'm like, no way. All right, I have the bird whisperer with me, so let's see if he can manage to call the birds. I have a 400mm 2.8 with me with 1.7 teleconverter, which is like 650 millimeters. So let's see if it's going to work.
Okay, it's always a good thing when those guys are around, dark-capped bulbuls, because they are good mobbers. They like to mob enemies. A lot of you together going to the enemy and trying to chase it away. You'll see a lot of animals do that, even some mammals like banded mongoose. They will, even like an eagle catches one of them and he goes and sits on top of the tree. They will even climb that tree to try and free their buddy. So in a big mob they come and chase the predator. So when these birdies see a cat or a leopard or any predator, they also do that.
And why do they, for example, let's say a finch who's not even interested, who's not even in the menu of a leopard, why does it warn others? Is it just social?
Yeah, sometimes it's not so easy to understand, but you almost think like you almost get the impression that they try to be spiteful to any predator. First start with a little general mobbing call. So the birds think that one bird has discovered some enemy, and we'll follow that up with a call of that enemy to see if they respond. Not the ideal situation. Your best success is in just after the first rains, sort of September or October, when the birds start nesting. They are very much more aggressive, and their mobbing is much more powerful then. And then you get sometimes 12, 13, 15 species of birds arriving when you do it, and sometimes you get 3. But it's, at least most of the time something is going to come, and hopefully the owlet will come also.
Let's see.
So we started with just a normal spishing. Can you hear he's coming closer because he's flying in? Now the mistake people make, they are not too eager. They play the call too soon. You must make him wonder. Because that's the difference between playing a tape and it's just the same call over and over, and he realizes it's not natural. He's another territorial one is not going to do that. That one is also going to think, what the hell? So now he must think, I'm also flying in from this side. So I need to make this make-believe by starting softly and gradually going louder so that he gets the impression I'm flying in, like he was doing now. See? So let's see. So here he is, right above us now. Another one. Oh no, it's him. Now he's trying to fool me as well by starting softly. Can you see where it is? Yeah, it's just above us, so we want it to go that side. I'm going to try to project the sound to be there. Let's see.
So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and share.